in this video I am continuing with the previous class. So I have got another example from Ganesh Rao. So here the problem statement comes: a high pass filter is to be designed with the following desired frequency response: Hd of omega is equal to 0 for minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, and it is e raised to minus j 2 times omega for omega is greater than pi by 4 and less than 5. Find the frequency response of FIR filter designed using the rectangular window defined below. So the rectangular window is given by WR of n 1, 0, where n is greater than or equal to 0 and less than equal to 4, and outside this range the window function is 0. So again the first step is you have to take the inverse discrete Fourier transform to find Hd of n. So Hd of n is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi minus pi to pi Hd of omega e raised to j omega n dw. So this is the basic IDFT formula to convert Hd of omega into Hd of n. So here Hd of n is Hd of omega is 0 for this frequency range, and it is given e raised to minus j 2 times omega for this one. So it is mod omega means it has both positive frequency as well as negative frequency. So negative side means it is minus pi to minus pi by 4, and positive side it is pi by 4 to plus pi. So here the integration is from minus side it is 1 divided by 2 pi minus pi to minus pi by 4 e raised to minus j 2 omega into e raised to j omega and tw, plus for positive frequency it is again 1 divided by 2 pi, it is pi by 4 to pi by 4 to pi e raised to minus j 2 omega e raised to j omega and tw. So if you simplify this one, so for n is not equal to 2, because if you compare the standard, the general, the frequency response with this one, alpha is equal to 2. So when n is equal to 2, what is the Hd of n? It is 1 divided by sine of pi times n minus alpha, and here it is minus because we have another integration here, and for this one it is sine of pi by 4, because if you take the difference you will get pi by 4. So it is pi by 4 n minus 2 divided by pi into n minus alpha. So alpha is equal to 2, and when n is equal to 2, it is calculated as Hd of 2 is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi minus pi to 2 pi. So here it is e raised to minus j omega n is there, right? So here it is e raised to minus j, right? 2 is there, w is common, so you will get what? You will get n minus 2 you will get here. So if I take n is equal to 2 means here it is 0, so 0 is e raised to 0 is 1. So 1 divided by 2 pi, and the integration of 1 is with respect to dw means it is w. Apply the limits, you will get 3 pi divided by 4 plus, and for this also it is 3 pi divided by 4, and simplifying what you will get, it is 3 divided by 4, right? So this is Hd of 2, you will get 3 divided by 4, and this is the expression for Hd of n, right? When n is not equal to 2 means for other values of n except n is equal to 2, then you multiply Hd of n with WR of n. For 0 to 4 you will get H of n. So WR of n you know it is equal to 1 for 0 to 4, and you substitute n from 0 to 4 in Hd of n, you will get different values for Hd of n. Then you multiply these values with 1, constant 1, you will get the coefficient values for H of n. Is that clear? And that is equal to next frequency response. Since n is odd, 5, it is symmetric because either side, if you make n is equal to 0, either side, left side you will get 2 and right side you will get 2. So you will get the symmetric because n is odd. And for symmetric FIR filter, the frequency response is given by this equation. Substitute n is equal to 5 here and simplify. You will get e raised to minus j 2 omega h of 2 plus 2 times h of 0 cos 2 omega plus 2 times h of n cos omega. And you also have to substitute n is equal to 0 to 1. And substitute h of 2, h of 1 and h of 0 values, simplify. Finally, we will get h of omega. Right? So this is the frequency response of the digital FIR filter. Right? So in the next video we will discuss the different type of examples. I mean, the desired frequency response range is different and the window function is different. So when different window function other than rectangular window, if I use the Hamming window or Hanning window, so how to design FIR filtering with those the windowing techniques.